Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through a typical day in my life at my family farm, where I'll introduce you to my horses, mini horses, donkeys, dogs, cats, and even our newest baby animals, including our baby calf named Louie. We'll bottle feed some baby sheep and encourage mama and her pigs to exercise. We'll even be silly and play tag with our baby calf. So come join me as I walk you through a typical day at the farm. I start my morning by making a strong cup of coffee. I'm obsessed with collecting cute coffee mugs like this Barbie one here. I like to add coconut MCT oil to my coffee for the delicious taste and health benefits, like improving your focus. I use this electronic whisk from Amazon to stir it, which is the best thing ever, by the way. It was only like $10. I love making an easy breakfast. I use these Barbie sprinkles. They taste so good. And I have my breakfast ready in about 1 minute with this waffle maker. It's so amazing. I use this 100% pure maple syrup. I tell myself that this breakfast is healthy and I dive in. Then I'm ready to head out the door and say good morning to all of our animals. I always bring a handful of treats with me, including baby carrots and cut up apples. Then I head inside the warm barn to check on how our baby animals are doing. This is Louie, by the way. He's only 3 weeks old and is so gosh darn lovable. He loves to blow me bubble kisses. He's a super caring little guy and a really great listener. I love waking up this way with some morning cuddles and kisses. That's our dog Sapphire, by the way, and she's super mothering to all of the baby animals and makes sure they're comfortable. Oh, and she absolutely loves belly rubs. Then I bottle feed our baby sheep. Oh my goodness, they are just so adorable. And I don't know if you remember my first video of these baby donkeys, but they are now full grown. So I definitely can't carry them anymore like I used to, but here they are now. They are still under a year old and are super mischievous. They love to be silly and play. I walk them around the barn so they can say hello to the other babies. But they mainly just want to play with each other, which is totally understandable since they're brother and sister. I get my husband's help to help me carry Louie outside to enjoy some sunshine. We have our own little picnic together. He's just so sweet. Now it's time to head inside to make some lunch. I love making my favorite vegetarian curry with sweet potato. I'll definitely link the recipe below. It's literally so easy to make and only takes a couple of hours. I swear I could totally pig out on this all day. It's so delicious and guilt-free. Just add a little bit of basmati rice and you are good to go. Now it's time to head out and see our mama pig and her babies. She has 4 and they are super cute, a little bit shy, so they like to follow in mama's footsteps. But I love going out and seeing them. Now it's time to check the perimeter of the fence just to make sure everybody is nice and safe. Say hello to all my beautiful cows. Oh, and their babies. They're so sweet. Look, mama even gives her baby a little kiss here. Mwah. She's so cute. And let's go check on Louie, who is now in the garage. I guess he wanted some shade. Now it's time to bottle feed. Fun fact, cows are a lot of fun. They're super intelligent and they love to play. They're literally just like big dogs. They definitely bring out the child side in me and I have so much fun playing with them, especially playing tag with this sweet little calf. After all that fun, it's now time for some more rest. And for the remainder of the afternoon, I just make sure the animals are well cared for, well fed, get lots of cuddles. These three here are so funny. They hang out together all the time. They remind me of that trio from Mean Girls. But of course, they're way nicer. Now it's time to shower up and get ready for bed so we can do it all over again next time. My favorite part about visiting the farm is that it gets you away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and really forces you to connect with nature, and I just absolutely love all of my animals. Definitely check out my other videos where I visit the family farm. And once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you. See you on the next one. Bye!